This is Vishnu Sai from Vishnu Sai Tech Vlogs. I am back again with another interesting video. That is nothing but today we are going to unbox this Poco M3. The budget beast is here. We can say that this is the India's first. I think this is the India's first dual speaker with Hi-Res audio certification. So let us go and let us unbox this mobile today. So let's get started about today's episode. Stop. So guys, before going to unbox this mobile, so let us see some of the specifications here. So we can the Poco M3 was coming with 6000 mAh milliamp hour battery, and it is coming with 48 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel secondary camera, and third camera is 2 megapixel. This one macro lens. So it is coming with Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. It is octa-core processor. It will support up to 2.0 GHz. This minimum clock speed is 1.8 to 1.4 to 1.8, and the maximum clock speed is 2.0 GHz. And it is a full HD plus IPS LCD display. It is coming with 6.53 inch full HD plus display. It is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 version. So if you can see, it is coming with 4 GB of RAM, and this is the 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB internal storage, and it is coming with LPDDR4X RAM technology, and it is coming with stereo speakers. This is the budget phone, but also they are included the stereo speakers, and it is coming with Hi-Res audio certification also. So it is coming with side mounted fingerprint sensor, and it supports dual volt plus Wi-Fi. It supports standby 2G, 3G, 4G modes also, and it is front. If you can see, it is front is 8 megapixel selfie camera, and Type C port cable. They are given Type C cable, and there is splash proof. It is only splash proof, not waterproof or dust proof. It will survive in rains slightly, but it not totally waterproof. It only splash proof. Consider this point, and it is coming with UFS 2.1 storage. So this is the some of the specifications. Today we are going to unbox this mobile. It is a cool blue, and it is 4 GB RAM, 64 GB variant. So let us go and let us unbox this mobile. So guys, if you can see here, I'm rebooted this mobile. So this is Poco M3. If you can see here, the design also. First we can see the design. So it is a let us open this and see this design firstly. So if you can see here, it is a rubber texture finish. They are using the rubber texture. It will not attract the fingerprints also. It does not attract the fingerprints. If you can see here, it will not attracting fingerprints. They're taken the unique design. If you can see, it is they're written this in big letters like a Poco. Written this. If you can see, this is the matte finish. This is totally matte finish. If you can see, it is a not a metal body. It is a not an aluminum body. It is a plastic. I think plastic. It is a plastic body. If you can see here, the sides are they are covered with plastic body only. So if you can see here, they are given headphone jack and the IR blaster and the speaker, secondary speaker. This is the secondary speaker. If you can see here on the bottom, the given the main speaker, and there is a Type C port, and it is a microphone. So these are the some of the these are the some of the external inventions. So if you can see this slot, it will support the SIM card will support the standby 2 SIM cards, and this another memory card will support up to 512 GB external storage. So it will support up to 512 GB. This is the cool blue mobile. If you can see the SAR values also, I would like to show you the SAR value. Indian SAR value is 1.6 watt per kg, and the head SAR value is 0.868 watt per kg. So it is designed with a 15 nanometer Bitfield technology processor. This is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. So let us see. Let us insert this TPU case, which they are given that for us. It's somewhat difficult. So guys, if you can see, it will support 2.4 and 5 GHz bands also. It will support 2.4 and 5 GHz bands also. So this is the after rebooting of the new Poco M3 mobile. So if you can see here, this is the complete interface of the Poco M3. This is the wallpaper, and this is the tag bar. If you can see at the bar also, if you can see, this is the Poco is the sub brand of Mi Redmi sub brand. It is the Redmi sub brand of Poco. But also they are given, if you can see the bar also, it is looking like if you can see in Mi 12 in Redmi, if you can see Mi 11, it will gives as a theme. It look like this one theme only. If you can see in Mi 11 theme. So let us go to settings and see some of the information. Settings, this is the settings, about phone. If you can see the device name is Poco M3. So if you can see the storage, let us see the storage. So system occupied 13.43 GB. So other 13.43 GB out of 64 GB, it occupies 13.43 GB. It available now, it is 50 under I think 40 GB is available, 41 GB is available right now. So let us see Poco version. It is now 12.0.7 version. It is a new update. After booting the mobile, it shows an update. I am also updated the mobile. After the updating of the mobile, it shows Mi 12.0.7.0. So let us see the Android system. It is coming with only Android 10. I am expected that is Android 11. So that's why the Android, because of the Android 10 also, I think the bar also is looking like old Mi 11. If you can see MIUI 11, if you can see the MIUI 11, it is the original bar of the notifications or data on and off of the mute notifications, flashlight, screenshot like this. After coming with the Android 11 and the MIUI 12, it is look like a Apple notification bar. If you can see the Apple how it is, that is what they are taking in the Redmi phones or Mi phones or anything and so on. So Poco also, they're saying that they're going to launch in the Poco new UI. They're completely dividing to Poco and it's a sub brand. Till now it is a sub brand. After the UI will become, it is also become a brand, single brand also. Till now it is a sub brand of the Redmi Mi. So if you can see, there is the weather and it is coming with the default Google dialer. So there is some trash in this mobile. If you can uninstall it, you can easily uninstall. So if you can see here app info, and we can select uninstall option, and you can select it, uninstall it, automatically uninstalled. So I would like to show you some of the specifications, all specs. If you can see, it is a 4 GB RAM, it is octa-core processor, maximum 2.0 GHz. So maximum clock speed is, if you can see, 2.0 GHz. Android security, it is coming with 7th July security patch. The model base number is normal. It is internal storage and the legal information. We need not all that. So nextly we had to talk about the UI. If you can see, it is look like a MIUI only. In the MIUI, if you can see MIUI, it is now one MIUI 12 only. So what is the difference between MIUI 12 in Redmi and Poco? Means in Poco there is no ads. We can see nothing in the ads. There is a it is a MIUI only, but if you can see in the Redmi phones, it is coming with MIUI only, but there is so many ads in Redmi phones. They are giving so many ads, like we'll describe it. But if you can see in the Poco phones, there is no ads, there is not disturb our phone, there is no irritating that. If you can see in Redmi phones, it is irritating somewhat. So many ads are coming. If you can see, if you can open any app also, we don't have any ads here. So if you can see, there is no ads. That is why Poco because of that, Poco has a clean UI and a clean, it is also smooth. The UI also very smoothly. There is no lags and no strucks also. If you can see here, I'm scrolling, someone was so there's no lags and it's, if you can open anything, like let us open once Google. I think it is a Google. So if you can see, there is so many ads. If you can see in the Yamaha UI gun or anything, Yamaha UI in Redmi 12, Redmi series, in Redmi series there is so many ads are scrolling on the top of the mobile, on the bottom of the mobile, like some other surveys like that. So if you can see in Poco mobile, there is no like that, there is no ads. It is a clean UI and it's looking phone is even so very clean. I love that design because it is a leather finishing. So if you can see the cameras also, three mainly cameras they are included. So firstly let us see display and sound. It is time to see the display and the sound. So let us check how the brightness. It is a peak of 400 nits of brightness. It is coming with IPS LCD full HD plus display. Let us play a video and let us see how it is. So guys, if you can see here the brightness of the mobile, this is the original brightness. It is coming with IPS LCD full HD plus IPS LCD display. The brights and deeps and blacks is so clear. There is no cons, we can say that, no, nothing. It is simply awesome. I can say that the picture clarity was really awesome. If you can see on the screen, I'm showing you how it is. Nice display at that price segment. Well, I think this is the value for money product. Who are going to buy under 10,000, it is a value for money product. I think this is 11,000, I think, in Flipkart. I think a value for money project. Let us see the sound how it was. It is coming with dual stereo speakers. The one of the speaker on the top of the mobile phone and another one is bottom of the mobile phone. Let us play a song on Spotify and see how it is. So guys, I'm playing a song. The plus point is, if you can see Spotify, if it's a normal user, if it is a normal user, the person who are using, if you can see any mobile phones or iPhone or any other phones, it is scrolling. There are so many ads and so many ads will come. It was irritating for us. But in Poco mobiles, there is no ads. I'm playing a video. Before I'm playing video, there is no ads. I haven't seen that. So let us see and let us play. Let us see if any ads are came or not, and let us see how it the sound quality also. She moves like an angel, dance like she don't got a care in the world. Like, flames rich and high, but can't touch the fire, catching her eye. I burn in desire. She knows she got it when she sing a song like. Look up at the sky, the stars never shine all alone. Tonight is the night, take a deep breath, let it go. So guys, if you can see here, the sound quality also of the Poco M3, the sound quality is also good. We can say that at this price segment is, at this price segment, it is coming with stereo, both that too. It is coming with high-res audio certification also. It is a good thing we had seen that. So let us see the DRM info. I can say the DRM info, it will supports L1 support. It had answer L1 support, and it will, we can play Amazon Prime Video on Netflix and also in a HD quality also. So this is the interface of Poco M3. Today we are unboxing this Poco M3 mobile. So let us, after using some of the hours, I will continue my next clip also. So let us see how it works. So guys, let us see about the cameras. It is coming with 48 megapixel main camera and megapixel secondary camera and 2 megapixel tertiary camera. So let us see video capability. It will support up to 1080p 30 fps and 720p 30 fps only. So let us see the photos. These are the photos. We can see here the AI color portrait and the HDR auto, Google Lens and the flashlight. This is the 48 megapixel camera. And this is the 48 megapixel camera, and we had also night mode also. We can enable the night mode, and whenever it is a low light condition, we can enable the night mode and picture the clarity and clarity photos also. This is the nice feature. So slow motion, They are not included any slow motion. They are not mentioned, particularly mentioned how it supports up slow motion. So let us go to settings and see. They are not mentioned anything here. We also don't know where is how it's how many FPS it will support. So there is support up to pro mode also. What the photographers, so it is also supports. So nice camera at the price segment, 48 megapixel main camera. So it is a nice thing. It is coming with default Google dialer and default Google contacts. We don't have any MI system dialer or anything. So like if you can see in the MI phones, Redmi phones, we had a default.
So guys, this is the main camera sample,
customized
48 megapixel.
contacts
This
and
is
the dialers.
photo, normal photo.
In this mobile phone we have got
And
default
this is
Google
also
dialer
normal
and default
photography.
messaging, Google
And
default messaging
Poco
app and
M3, this is also normal photography.
contacts also.
And this is the 48 megapixel
So these are some of the
sample.
specifications.
And this
So
is
let us
the
see some of the camera
portrait
samples.
sample.
After that I will come
And this is also the
continue my
portrait of
review.
Poco M3. And this is the main camera sample, 48 megapixel. And this is the main camera sample of the 48 megapixel Poco M3. This is the portrait shot. This is also the portrait shot. And this is the 48 megapixel main camera sample. And this is also 48 megapixel main camera sample. And it is the normal photo. And it is also main camera sample. And this is the front camera sample.
So guys, if you can see here, this is the Poco M3. I'm recording with Poco M3 front facing camera. If you can see here, I'm in the low lighting condition. If you're in low lighting condition, the video quality will be like this. So this is the normal condition. The video will be like this. I think this is somewhat exposing too much, I think. So let us see let us see next clip in the back camera sample. Let us see the next clip. The next clip I'm going to show you how is the back camera sample also. So guys, if you can see here, I'm recording with Poco M3 back camera. There is no option ultra steady or anything else. I'm recording with back camera sample. This is the back camera. This is the back camera sample. I'm recording with back camera. This is the 48 megapixel camera. So if you can see here the picture quality and the stability and the microphone quality also. If you can see here, this is what look like the back camera sample. So guys, after raising some of the hours, I am continuing this clip. So let us talk about firstly about the design. So the comprehensive design, because it is a 10,000 rupees mobile Poco M3. It is a plastic design. I'm seeing that. So it is good at this price segment in 11,000 rupees. So it is coming with special. I loved it the feature in this mobile, that is stereo speakers. In this budget, I will never seen that. It is coming dual stereo speakers, one of the top of the head and then the top of the bottom of the mobile. So they are given that headphone jack also. You can see that headphone jack also they are given that. And the another one is, it is a IR blaster. It is also good. So in front we can see it is a 8 megapixel camera, and said that there are some of the specifications also. So let us talk about the price matters. It is worth or not at this price segment. If a budget is strictly 10,000 or 11,000, go through with Poco M3. No, I had purchased that I want 5G phone. I can afford it. Another 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees also. Go through with Realme 8 5G. That is the best mobile which I have never seen that, because it is Realme 5G. It is coming with 13,000 to 14,000 rupees only. If you can afford it, go through with Realme 8 5G or Poco M3 Pro. If you can see the Poco M3 6GB RAM 128GB, it is approximately in the Flipkart we can see that it is approximately, I think, 13,400 to 13,500 rupees. It is not a worth of it. I will never say that. So I will go through with Poco M3 Pro or Poco M3 Pro. Poco M3 Pro, sir. I think you can afford it. If you can afford it at 2,000 or 3,000 rupees, go to the Realme 8 or Realme 8 Pro or Realme 8 Pro or Realme X7. Recently after Realme GT also, go through with another mobile phones. If you budget is strictly 10,000 or 11,000, go through with Poco M3. It is a budget best mobile. I have never seen that. It is coming with Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor and stereo speakers, 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel front camera, stereo speakers. This is a good mobile at this price segment. So I will strongly recommend that who are going to their budget is strictly 10,000 or 11,000. Go to the Poco M3 Pro, or if you can, we don't have Poco mobiles, we'll go through with another phones like Infinix, like Spark, Techno Spark. There's some other mobile phones. Oppo, they're not taking that in the budget mobile phones. They're taking only Oppo A53. I think this is the 11,000 rupees mobile. That is Oppo A53. That is, go through with the Oppo A53. It is Limi mobile. So another, if you can see in Vivo, there is no mobile phones in Vivo at the price segment in 10,000, 11,000. There is no mobile in the Vivos. So Samsung also there. It is slow UI. I can't recommend that to anyone because it is a slow UI. Go through with Poco and the Poco M3 Pro or Realme 8 or Realme 8 Pro or Realme Narzo 20. It is also best. It is coming with 65 watts dot charging technology. It is the first mobile. It is 65 watt dot technology. Under 12,000. It is also best mobile phone. Realme Narzo 20 Pro, 30 Pro. It is also a good mobile. So go through with any other mobile. So this is the complete unboxing and initial impressions of Poco M3 video. This is the complete information. So guys, I think I hope if you loved this video, if you loved it, please like, share and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Let us meet in the next video. This is Vishnu Sai signing off. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.